The universe of Marlowe Suite tools and packages has expanded tremendously since launch of the playground in 2022. The Marlowe team, while being part of IOHK, have added constantly to the product suite, from Marlowe Runner and TypeScript SDK, Runtime, IPI, to name the most prominent. As a non-profit project in 2025, they are adding new tools like Oracle integration. In parallel, Project Catalyst builders have contributed their own projects, templates and libraries, extensions and showcases. In this video, we will take a top-level view of what is available and how it may fit into your own financial dApp development. Some of these tools may not work out of the box anymore, as the NAMI wallet has been integrated into Lace, and some funding from IOHK has stopped at the end of 2024. With tweaks, it is however possible to benefit from all tooling either locally or when running a node. As Marlowe 2025 gains pace, we expect more services running.
First up, we have the official Marlowe Suite by Input-Output. This consists of the Marlowe Playground that we know very well by now. So this is the place for anyone without in-depth smart contract programming knowledge to create contracts from scratch based on templates using the visual editor Blockly. And we have covered this before. This is a very convenient and easy way to create intuitive contracts, view them as Marlowe code, send them to the simulator, and even to the testnet blockchain like this. So this is the original flagship product that allows you to create and execute smart contracts in minutes. This is the core tenet behind Marlowe and really the beauty. So the playground is the centerpiece of this promise, and it's the oldest and most battle-tested part of the Marlowe suite. Next up, we have the Marlowe Runner, which I believe is still in beta, but it works perfectly fine with preview or pre-prod testnet. You can connect your Cardano wallet, Eternal, Lace, or Yoroi. And as we have already seen, it's linked directly to the Marlowe Playground, so you can export to the runner from here. Or you can use it if you connect your wallet here and then upload your JSON file and run it on the pre-prod testnet. Then there's Marlowe Runtime, which is the backend for managing Marlowe contracts. So this is the communication between the Marlowe part and the Cardano blockchain at large. So this allows feeding the Marlowe code into native Cardano language, and it has this API side here. The pre-prod, for example, has a runtime marlowe-lang.org, open API HTML. You can also choose a preview testnet, a mainnet, or run it on your local host here. This is also part of official input-output Marlowe Suite tooling. Then there's Marlowe Scan, which is similar to a blockchain explorer, but just specialized for Marlowe contracts that have been deployed to the testnets and to mainnet. Then there's the Marlowe SDK, which is several NPM packages that developers can run from their terminal for their web development. So if most of your financial app is actually off-chain and you just need the on-chain decentralization parts, for example, for validation for signing transactions, this is the perfect toolkit to neatly integrate into your Web2 app the Cardano blockchain via Marlowe. And then Moving on to a high-end for-profit product that has been contributed to the Marlowe ecosystem by TX Pipe is the Demeter Run integration of Marlowe. And there used to be several grants available to use this for free for Marlowe developers. And there are still starter kits here alongside the entire TX Pipe product suite that gives you, for example, the Marlowe tutorial still you can deploy. And Demeter Run, of course, is a very convenient way to access a Cardano node without running it on your machine. So if you want to tap into mainnet, but you don't want to download the 200 gigabytes, that is the size currently of the Cardano ledger, this is the place to go to. And they have also, as part of Project Catalyst, developed a Marlowe Runtime SDK in various programming languages based on your flavor and preference. So, for example, a C# SDK, Python, and so on, which is available as part of their documentation. And in addition to that, a lot of Project Catalyst builders, open source contributors, and smaller enterprises have also created their own Marlowe extensions or Marlowe products that we will cover later. Some examples are this Marlowe web integration here that has its own app that you can connect to your wallet and use sample contracts or convenience functions like vesting, escrow, payment splitter, buy me a coffee. So this is very much microtransactions, retail usage, real world use of the blockchain for a decentralized economy. So this is a very exciting project by Eric Romero, who I think was funded for this on Project Catalyst. Or you have marlowehub.io, which is also an unofficial contribution to the Marlowe ecosystem with 51 sample contracts that you can run conveniently from this website by signing in, connecting your wallet. These are just the tip of the iceberg of the open source contribution to Marlowe, and we will cover more of that later.